Okay, incredibly tight at the front here. 2/10 I was off pole, and I'm 6th. So let's see if we can make some progress.
Green flag, green flag.
Summit Point, great track, love it here. Great with the F4, it's a lovely track. Let's just see if we can keep some spots. Not get taken out.
Left side.
I'm down to 2nd, normally 3rd in there. Oh, I lost one already, what's going on?
There.
Okay. I lose to it.
Still there, hold your line. Clear on the left. Left side.
Okay, that didn't work.
Stay on the right, clear. Car on your left, clear.
Let's get stopped. We got stopped. Okay, so we've lost a few places here, but we're not dead, so let's see what we can do. Everyone was very tight, so it's not like the people behind were much slower, really. So I can't assume I'm just going to drive away from them. So we're going to need a slipstream. So we've got to take everything out of this.
Car right.
Take this slipstream. He's coming, isn't he?
0, 0, 9. Still there. Still there. Clear.
Okay.
An incident behind.
Well, I'm going to be patient, I think. Not going to win it in the first lap. So let's see where we go. I have dropped back a little bit though. I mean, I've lost some places here. Done the same as I did the lap before.
Car right.
Bloody hell.
Clear.
Okay. Well, this is not going to make my highlights reel of the best opening laps, is it? I feel like I'm going backward. Okay, it's been a problem there with a few people by the looks of it. So we made up a couple of places. We're up to 11th. We need to keep with these guys. Okay. Well, it's not gripping like it was in qualifying. Probably the full tank of fuel's not helping. So let's get back on them.
0.762.
So I need to be in the 8s, really. I've been, I guess, avoiding others, haven't I? So that slowed me down a bit. A couple of goes at that corner. Let's see what we can do now then. That's a bit better. Let's get it stopped. Just. I don't know if that's 2nd or 3rd. I think 3rd is better. You get a better drive without the risk of over rotation. So I'm quite happy with that, I think. We're just hanging on to the tail, aren't we? I think it's okay for now. Just hang on to them. We can.
9.37. That was your fastest lap of the session. The car
need to go a bit quicker.
2. Just set the fastest lap. 8.688.
Well, it'd be nice to get into the top 5 if we can. If we can. Looking back to a 2nd here. Okay, somebody's gone off.
Car right. Clear.
Okay, kept ahead of him. He's going to be keen, I think, whoever that is. Somebody going in the pit.
Right side.
We're not getting that corner right, are we? At all.
Still there, hold your line.
Not getting it right at all. I need to work on that.
You're on the right. 9.787. 10 minutes to go.
Okay, only 10 minutes to go, and we're 11th. Oh, we've got a blinker. Not what we want. Yeah, I'm not getting the sort of these fast corners. It's just not turning in. Doesn't seem to, anyway.
No damage. Car looks clean.
Car's fine, so it's not that. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can do something. I shall just stab the brakes before I turn in this time, and then see if we can get the drive coming out. It's a bit better. I've got the slipstream anyway from the blinker ahead.
9 points.
We're sort of still in this leading group, aren't we, more or less? We're just clinging on. Clinging on by our fingertips.
There's an incident ahead. You got a slow car on the right.
Somebody's off. Said it was tight though, didn't I? And we're not hanging about. We're doing pretty decent laps, but we're not able to close in too much. Going quicker than we were.
The leader is running 8.802.
8.8, we're doing 9.1, so we're not too far off.
Lap of the session.
Need to go quicker though.
3. Just set the fastest lap. 8.647. There's an incident ahead. Slow car ahead.
Another incident.
You're in the top 10. Left side. Keep
We've got the momentum, yeah.
You're on the left.
Idiot! You're a fucking idiot!
Oh dear.
Another fucking idiot. Another fucking idiot. You're a fucking asshole, man.
Oh dear. He's not happy.
Yeah, that's
I said-
another, man. You're a fucking idiot.
I said be patient, didn't I?
Like that.
It's always worth being patient. I lost a few at the start, but I'm getting them
I
back.
don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
He's going a bit wide, but he made it. So he was ahead of us on the grid, wasn't he, this guy in front, I think? So,
9.324.
can we do anything about
You're
these
fucking
two?
Stupid, man. Really fucking stupid.
Oh, he's not happy still, is he? Blimey.
Sorry.
Someone else off as well, is it? Looks like it. Oh dear.
Thanks.
And we get into the slipstream. So we're 6th now. So we're back where we started. Yeah. Pays to be patient. We're starting to get that corner a bit better now. We are in the slipstream, but it's a bit of a dive from here, I think.
9.238.
Need to be a bit closer. Make it a bit more of a slam dunk if I can. Hey.
5 minutes to go.
Okay, 5 minutes left. He's not closing in on the guy ahead, is he really? He's got a different line to me, hasn't he? I'm just a bit too far. I mean,
9.
I could have a dive, I guess.
New fastest lap for you. Car on your left. Keep to the
Okay,
right.
I'm going to compromise his line here. Oh, he's let me go.
Clear.
Wonder why he's done that. He's looking for safety rating, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. Oh well, we'll take it. So after this guy then. Maybe he just didn't want the battle. Don't know. I mean, I'd have struggled to get by him. I know I got up his inside, but I wouldn't have got by him on the outside, I don't think. Oh, look at that. It's a lot easier to get around that corner without a car in front. I wonder if the aero was being taken away because I was so close behind him. That's probably what's going on.
9.
Okay, 1.95 behind. Let's see if we can just close in.
Lap of the session. You're in 5th.
Not quite in the 8s, are we? Nearly there. Yeah, I've got more turn in now because I'm not behind someone. That's what was going on. So it will get worse when we catch this guy, hopefully. I mean, hopefully we catch, not hopefully it gets worse, but you know what I mean? Nice to catch him. We haven't got long, though. The difference. Look at the difference. So much more turning. Okay, those two are fighting.
8.91.
Second and third, by the looks of it.
Fastest lap of the session.
A tenth closer. We're not really catching, are we here? Oh god, they're going slow though because they're too wide around this corner, which is not what you want. Not what you want at all. So we're going to catch them if they carry on doing that. Yeah, easy flat through there. So we're no closer, are we, to him? But he's definitely closed up on those guys ahead.
White flag this time.
Oh, okay, white flag. So
The leader just did a 9.277.
we haven't got time, have we?
9.003.
What a shame. Don't think we've got enough. Unless those three tangle. Which could happen. Wouldn't wish it on them, but it could happen. I left my brake in a bit late there, but use the gears to slow me down. Trying everything I can do, but it's not going to work. That's it. One place. We made it one place, but I'm happy with that. After that start we had, that opening couple of laps, Christ, we were mugged every corner, weren't we? Seemed to be, but what a great track car combination this is. I do like this. Had some really good races around here in the F4. I mean, any car, it's just a really nice track. Really nice track.
All right,
Enjoyed that.
chicken
Okay,
flag.
let's have a look at the incidents then. Okay, here's the start then. So, yeah, I got a little bit of wheel spin, but I was doing okay, I thought, off the start. But just seemed to get completely swallowed up. I even sort of moved to the right to get the slipstream. I thought I'd defend my position and just didn't...
I wasn't led.
I was just a bit slow, wasn't I, through there? And that was it then. Then this other guy gets through. Anyway, let's have a look at the other incidents. So what's this then? Gosh, well, they're going slow. He's at his wing. I don't know what that guy was doing. Someone on the grass ahead. It's the leaders. Oh, bit tight. I mean, he hardly hit him, I think. And then what have we got? A Fanta car looks good, doesn't it? That's a nice colour. Oh gosh, come on. Come on, guys. And what have we got? He's going to outbrake himself. Go into a spin, yeah. Easily done. And he's probably a bit annoyed and he's probably overheated his rear tyres as well. Okay. Now what's happening? Oh, can he get stopped? More or less. More or less. Oh no. Will that work?
You're a fucking idiot, man. Right
Oh dear. Edgar's not happy, is he? I think we'll we'll ignore him. Okay. And then what have we got? This is the main straight, so just a bit of late break. Yeah, too late, man. Yeah, he could see it, couldn't he? He knew he'd made the mistake, and then yeah, it's a difficult place to. Oh, netcode. Difficult place to overtake. That is. He wasn't happy with that, I don't think. Oh dear. Okay. Not sure what happened there. And then we've seen these guys before, haven't we? Is he just going to? Oh, come on. It's just bad driving. Just bad driving, that is. And if we got some more, yeah, he's just not concentrating, is he? Just not concentrating. And then, oh, he just stuck his nose in, didn't he? And oh, that didn't work out for him. Oh dear. Yeah. Oh dear. And then this Hooters car's been in the wars a lot. Yeah, it's a difficult place to attack or defend. I mean, he did well, didn't he? He's damaged his car, but he did well to keep it going. And he's turning in from the grass, that guy, yeah. Overtaking around the outside there is not easy. Wow, interesting. Some interesting incidents there. Let's have a look at the results. Here we go then. So that was top split out of 8, so popular race. And I got some safety rating, which I need. I want to get above 3 if I can, and a bit of I rating. So again, I want to get above 3 if I can. So that's good. Best lap then. Who got the best lap? Looks like it's all the way down here. So 108.6. Gabrielle, he must have been taken out at some point. And then what did I manage? 108.9. So 108.7, 108.7, 108.7, 108.9. So I was 2/10 off the pole. I'm 2/10 off the top 3. So yeah, I'm about where I should be, but that was very, very tight. Everyone was very, very tight in that race. But good fun, enjoyed that. I hope you did too. If you did enjoy it, then please do stick around. Hit that like, hit subscribe, become a member, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.